The double possession confession. Decoding English grammar. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to talk about an intriguing part of English grammar. Double possessives. If you've been wondering what the difference between double possessives and regular possessives is, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of these concepts and how to use them correctly. Let's begin with a brief recap of regular possessives. Regular possessives indicate ownership or a relationship of belonging between two entities. They're usually formed by adding an apostrophe, s, to the noun that possesses something. For instance, if a book belongs to John, we say, John's book. Now, onto the main subject, double possessives. It's a unique feature of English where you'll find two markers of possession in the same sentence. You might be asking, why do we need two? Well, double possessives allow us to add an extra layer of emphasis on the possessor. This typically involves a construction with of and a pronoun. For example, he is a friend of mine. Here, mine is the double possessive pronoun and of indicates the relationship. The main difference between double possessives and regular possessives lies in emphasis and specificity. A double possessive puts more stress on the possessor, often for the sake of clarity or to avoid ambiguity. Consider these examples. Regular possessive. This is Sarah's dog. The dog belongs to Sarah. Double possessive. This is a dog of Sarah's. Out of many dogs, this one belongs to Sarah. The double possessive implies that Sarah might have more than one dog, and this is one of them. The regular possessive doesn't give us this specificity. Like all grammar rules, there are exceptions. Not all nouns can be used in the double possessive structure. Inanimate objects typically don't take the double possessive form. So, you would say, the cover of the book, and not, the cover of the books. Also, certain expressions of quantity work well with double possessives. For example, he's one of my friends, instead of, he's my friend, implies that he's part of a larger group of friends. So that wraps up our discussion on double possessives and how they differ from regular possessives. Remember, double possessives add extra emphasis, provide clarity, and help avoid ambiguity. Keep practicing these constructs and they'll soon become second nature. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.